is a baby bird. I got this.
How's your snack, Zach? Is it good? Oh, it's all gone? Yeah, I think you're still finding a little bit in there, aren't you?
Yeah.
No more? There's still lots on your hand, though. Can you get any more?
Yeah. I hope the baby comes tonight.
You okay there, Shaq?
Is the baby coming tonight?
I don't know.
Yeah! Yes, it is. I hope it is. I hope it is.
Why do you want the baby to come tonight?
Because then we can have a sleepover, baby. I want to have my first sleepover. Hi, baby. Baby comes out. Her pen, okay.
Okay.
We are not going to be there when the first thing the baby comes out. Why? Because she's going to be in there. We're going to be at the Y. Blakemore house. Bye, Billy. Hi. Oh,
Is that peanut butter good?
Spencer, your job is to take everything small.
Is it getting hard to get out?
This. That's everything.
Yeah, it looks like you might need to lick off the back of your hand.
Okay. Look, Mom.
There you go.
Look.
Thank you. Did you get some on the table too? Okay. What do you see? Are you going to be hungry for dinner after this? No. What are you going to be filled up with? Well, that might be more effective. Oh, thanks for offering. I don't want any though.
Do we have any more bins as big as the blue clear one?
We don't. We just have some little bins.
Where's the big blue clear one?
It's full of stuff for Candace. Is it empty? Not yet. Your hand fits in it pretty good, doesn't it? You did a pretty good job. I can see your shirt through it. I think there's some more on the sides of the peanut butter jar. Look inside it. Look inside. Look inside the jar. Yeah, there's probably some on your shirt too. Look inside the jar. Do you see? Do you see any peanut butter inside the jar? Are you going to need a bath after this? Yeah. Or should we just take you outside and spray you with the hose? Look on this part of your arm, Shaq. Look on this part of your arm. Look underneath it. Look under it. Like this. Close. Does it smell like peanut butter? Yeah? What does your arm taste like? Peanut butter. Do you like peanut butter? It must be yummy.
Yummy.
Is it that good? Oh, good. Bop? Are you all done?